What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com. You're looking at a 2004 Harley-Davidson Sportster. This is an 883, guys. I love the color of this bike. This is the walk-around video. We got a... I think it was a bug. Rear fender's in pretty good shape, guys. It's got Screaming Eagle 2s on it. Scratch right there on the top of the tank. Scratch right there on the side of the tank. All the chrome is in really good shape, though. This bike's in pretty awesome shape, actually. I'm a pretty big fan. There's one section that is kind of scuffed up. Oh, scratch on the front fender there. There's one section that's kind of scuffed up, and that's this rear side cover here, if you can see. All scratched up and stuff. Maybe just get a new one of these. Yeah, scratch on the tank there. Got this sad freaking Western tank bed looking thing. I think it's from Mustang. Yeah, this beast only has 13,978 miles on it. Feels really good. Guys, it's a great running bike. Like I said, 2004 Harley-Davidson 1200 Sportster, or not 1200, 883 Sportster. It's got Screaming Eagle 2s on it. It's just got that one flaw on the side cover. Thanks a ton for watching, guys.